A piezoelectric ceramic can instantly generate a voltage of more than 10,000 volts, which is enough to kill an ant or a spider. What would happen if we connected 9 piezoelectric ceramics together? First, collect 9 lighters and remove the piezoelectric ceramics from inside them. Then prepare a 5-volt stepper motor. 3D, print a housing to hold the stepper motor in place. Next, print a small component so that when the motor moves, it can trigger all 9 piezoelectric ceramics at the same time. Fix the stepper motor in place, then print a top plate like this and secure it with a stainless steel bar. Insert a wire at the bottom to serve as the negative terminal. Now fix the 9 piezoelectric ceramics one by one. Cut off the extra wires from the stepper motor, keeping the common wire and one terminal. Solder a push button to the negative terminal, then install a 5-volt button battery. Finally, connect the positive terminals of the 9 piezoelectric ceramics together using wires. Now the device that can release 9 10,000 volt pulses simultaneously is complete. One piezoelectric ceramic can kill an ant or a spider. So what would happen if someone got shocked by this device? Has anyone tried it? Tell us what it feels like.